What penalties do businesses face for industry regulation noncompliance? Imagine running a business and suddenly facing a hefty fine or losing your license. That's what can happen if you don't follow industry-specific rules. When companies ignore these regulations, authorities step in with penalties to keep everyone playing fair. The first thing most businesses encounter is a financial penalty, which can be a fine or fee. These fines are different depending on the regulation broken and can be small or huge, sometimes reaching millions of dollars. They are meant to punish and discourage violations. Besides money, authorities can issue cease and desist orders. This means the business must stop certain activities immediately until they fix the issue. If a business is operating under a license or permit, losing that license is a serious penalty. Without it, the company cannot legally operate, which can shut down the business entirely. Some jurisdictions also have rules for administrative dissolution, where a company is legally ended for not meeting tax or reporting requirements. In more serious cases, especially involving intentional wrongdoing like fraud or environmental damage, criminal penalties can be applied. This might include jail time for responsible individuals, large fines, or other sanctions. For example, executives can be personally held responsible under laws like the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, which targets false financial reports. Penalties under this law can include multi-million-dollar fines and long prison sentences. Regulatory noncompliance can also lead to civil lawsuits. Agencies or affected parties may sue for damages or ask courts to stop certain actions. These lawsuits can cost a lot in legal fees and settlements, which hurt the company's finances and reputation. Additionally, companies found noncompliant often face increased scrutiny. This means more frequent inspections, audits, and monitoring, which can be a drain on resources and disrupt daily operations. From a business law point of view, these penalties highlight why strong corporate governance and compliance programs are so important. Businesses should regularly review policies, conduct internal audits, and ensure all licenses and filings are up to date. Training employees on legal requirements is also key. Addressing any warnings or notices promptly can prevent escalation. In the end, penalties for breaking industry rules include fines, losing licenses, legal actions, criminal charges, and more oversight. These consequences show how vital it is for businesses to stay compliant and follow the rules set by regulators.